general features of Allen-Bradley PLC. Model name Micrologix 1000. It is a programmable logic controller used in various industries like chemical, pharmaceuticals, oil and gas industries as an industrial computer. Programming software for this model is RS Logix, while RS Links is the name of its communication software. The simulator that is used for this PLC is Emulator 500. This PLC has total 32 inputs, outputs with maximum 40 timers and 32 counters. The communication cable for this PLC is PM02 and the speed by which it transfers the program from PC to PLC is 9.6 kbps. Online modification of Micrologix 1000 is not available. Programming language for this PLC is ladder logic diagram. So these are some basic features of this PLC. Sinking and sourcing. These are the terms used to describe the control of direct current flow in load. That is, current flow relationship between input and output devices in a control system and power supply. Therefore, start the PLC input terminal and follow through the input sensing circuit, exit at the common terminal. Connect the supply to the common terminal. By adding the switch between supply and the input so that circuit is completed and current flow in the circuit when switch is closed. The head of arrows represent the direction of current flow in the diagram. For sourcing, this positive terminal is connected to the VDC and VAC. When the PLC output is energized by the program, the positive supply is passing through the output 0, 1 and so on to the output or LED. Hence, output will get on. Never use AC power supply on DC sync source input output point.